the way people are being employed discriminatively, and you have also shown it in the way you have profiled the people. I wanted to say here, for the consumption of the international community, I have lived for a long time, over 8 years in Germany. And I know how fascism started in Germany, by profiling. Mr. Hitler started by just targeting one community, the Jews. The Jews, the only good Jew is a dead one. But even the dead Jew, if his bone scratch you, you will still die. So he came up with what he called the final solution, the Endschluss. And it started to attack and kill the Jews. The program started this way. And this is what is happening here. You're profiling a community. You want to use the very same tactics that were used by Mr. Hitler in Germany and in Europe. This is what is happening here in Kenya, and they want the international community to take note of what is happening here. You are trying to begin a fascist regime in this country, and you're congratulating the police for killing innocent children. 13 years, 14, 15 years, 20 years, and so on. This is something that is completely unacceptable. And they want the international community to stand with Kenya. We are saddened to see that the diplomatic community residents in Kenya are silent when fundamental rights of Kenyan people are being violated by this regime. We would like the international community to come up strong on this issue. The prosecutor of ICC was here, treated by Mr. Ruto in State House, given a chopper to go and receive an honorary degree and fight for human rights. And there he was being received by again another agent of Mr. Ruto. We have said that this is not right. ICC should remain true to its mandate by protecting and defending the rights of the innocent people all over the world. We are saying as a people of Kenya, ultimately it will be our responsibility to liberate our country. And Kenya must and can be liberated. We must tell them also that we will not be cowed by this act. And we don't even have to bring people on the streets. We can tell people to stay home. That's another way of expressing displeasure and dissatisfaction. Next time we will not tell the people to come to the streets. We tell the people to stay in their homes. Stay in their homes and see what they're going to do. We will tell you, don't come out. Stop anybody who is trying to come out. Just stay at home. Stay at home. Iko njia mingi ya kuwa paka. Yuthurwa. Nte yore mang'eny mag nego paka. Paka lokre ogwang'. Ochamo nyigwen. Itime nadi? Itime nadi? Hey. Inyalo kawe tiketo pale ng'ute. Inyalo kawe itwe une ng'ute. Tiliere kacha. Benya no kawe rwaki ya gunia. Tiketo kidi. Titero yala. Mago kyore mag nego paka. Paka ni maburu nego. Paka ni maburu nego. Maburu negi. Mokuongo incho wacho ni wadwa ni weche nengo mag gima. Mag mogo. Mag mafuta. Mag sukari, mag sitima